Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas week 3. Yeah, I actually just got a shower right now and I did a workout, which I haven't done in a while, so I'm really proud of myself that I did a workout this morning because I've just been so busy with school and everything that I haven't had time to work out or anything. So I'm gonna try to work out like almost every single day. But anyways, I think we're going to the mall right now. I'm not sure. I'm waiting for my parents to get back. So yeah, that is what we are doing today. I think we're gonna go to the mall. I have to edit week 2 of Vlogmas still, and then we have to clean this building because that's our job that we do Wednesday and Saturday nights. So yeah, and we might see lights this week. I don't know what day, but I'm excited for that. Here is my cute little kitty sleeping. Kimiko, can I see your blue eyes? Okay, she won't open her eyes. But yeah, I will see you when we go to the mall, I guess.
Yeah, this sounds like it's gonna be a big break.
Yeah, but the thing is,
Hey guys, so we're at Hobby Lobby right now and I'm picking out some stickers.
The kitchen one isn't.
I'm in
too
heaven.
small.
So I need some Christmas stickers. Oh, they have some lights. Look at these lights. Isn't that kind of cool?
Oh yeah.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get these stickers.
Say
I'm just gonna start recording.
tune to 87.9.
This is cool.
Oh, you passed it. There, there.
guys. Wow. It is the next day and yeah, I just kind of woke up. Well, I didn't just now wake up. I've been getting ready. Whoa, okay, that is really bright. But anyways, today we had to drop my cat off to get spayed. So yeah, and then we have to go back later at 4 to pick her up. So she's gonna be like really loopy and sore for a while, and yeah, so I'm really kind of nervous about that, but hopefully she does good today. But yeah, I will be there when we go pick her up. So last night I forgot to mention that we were gonna go see lights, and oh my goodness, it was so crazy. Like the whole light show they put on, I thought it was really cool, so I got a bunch of clips from that. So I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I didn't want to get copyrighted, so I put my own Christmas music in the background, but there were like actual Christmas songs that went with the lights. I cannot talk. I'm just gonna give up on vlogging. But we had to turn our station in our car to like turn a certain station on in your car to like the Christmas station so that it'll go with the lights. But yeah. That's what we did last night, and then the night before I did some present wrapping. I help my mom wrap presents every single year. So yeah, that's what we've been doing lately. I don't really know what I'm gonna do today. I have to edit that video and yeah, we'll see. So I will update you then. So it is the next day, or actually, never mind. I just remembered that I vlogged this morning. I totally forgot. But I just now started uploading my Vlogmas week 2. I should have already had it uploaded by Saturday, but I just did not get the time to edit it because my weekend was so crazy. But yeah, I started uploading this like 6 to 7 minutes ago and it's still on 1%. Oh, just as I said that, it turned 2%. But yeah, I got spoiled for my school's Wi-Fi because I've been uploading there because their Wi-Fi is so fast. It literally uploads in like 10 minutes there. And when I upload at my house, it takes all day long, and I know I complain about that in like all my videos probably. But I forgot how this was because I haven't uploaded at my house for so long. So anyways, I wanted to tell you I ordered this cute jacket. I actually seen this like a while ago and I really wanted to get it and I really liked it a lot, but they didn't have my size, so I was just kind of guessing. They only had medium and large, and usually I'm a size small, so I think I might have to return this jacket now. I ordered this online, so I'm gonna see if I can go to the mall sometime and see if they have a size small because it looks really weird on me. I know it's supposed to be puffy to begin with, but it looks like a little bit too much. So yeah, this is like one of my favorite colors. I love the color blue, as you can tell. Look at this. I don't think that looks right. I can't tell if it looks right or not, but I might return it and get a small. I'm not sure. I'll just ask my mom when she gets home from work what she thinks about it. But it was like $70, so yeah, that is a big deal. But I still like it. It looks so cute. Yeah, I was obsessed with this jacket. I just had to have it. And I know it's like really expensive, but whatever. It's a Christmas present to myself, I guess. And I tend to wear the same things a lot, so I just wanted like a nice cozy jacket. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, my video is still on 2%. So guys, let me know if you know of any spots, like places to go where they have really fast Wi-Fi. I think Panera and McDonald's has free Wi-Fi, but I don't know how fast their Wi-Fi is, and I'm not just gonna go there and sit for like an hour. I don't know. I'll have to see. I think I'm gonna do a workout right now, just to do something. I also need to go through all my pictures on my phone because I don't know if anybody else has this problem, but you probably do. I tend to take a lot of pictures, and last night when we seen the lights, I took like a bunch of pictures too, and I have all these pictures of my cat on my phone, and I need to go through and print some pictures off. So yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna do that, but I will see you probably tomorrow or whenever I end up vlogging again. Hey guys, so it is actually Wednesday now, and I thought I would give you an update on my cat since she just had her surgery on Monday. She's actually doing, well, she was doing pretty good yesterday, and I think since it's the third day, her medicine is kind of wearing off now, and she keeps wanting me to massage her stomach. Well, not really her stomach where her stitches are, but like her back, and just like rub her. Here you go. She just went back there. I know that when cats are in pain, they usually like to hide and go in places by themselves. So, yeah. I hope she starts feeling better soon because, I don't know, I'm just really worried about her. But we brought all her stuff up, so like her litter box and, well, her litter box actually was downstairs, but we always keep her food right there just so that she doesn't have to walk down steps, and she's not supposed to jump and run, which she was jumping on my bed last night, and I didn't want her to rip her stitches, so oh, there she is. Aww. Kimiko, are you not feeling well? Well, anyways, my plan for today is to make some cookies. I wanted to do these peanut butter ball things, and I'm gonna make some sugar cookies soon. And also I'm gonna practice my driving today. I have to take my driver's test on January 3rd, and I have to start practicing a lot. And I know I am 20 years old and I'm just now getting my license, but I was homeschooled for most of my high school, so I really didn't need it until now because I'm in college now and I'll be driving a lot more probably. So yeah, that is my plan for today. Okay guys, so I'm now going to start making the cookies, and I will do a little montage of that. So guys, the peanut butter chocolate balls are done. There's more, but this is just some of them. I probably made it kind of big, but they're still good, so I'd recommend trying this recipe. So yeah, thought I would just show you what it looks like. I'm gonna eat some now.
We have to believe that she's getting better. She brought me black boots today, and look at these stars. These cards are so many pretty ones.
Hey guys, so I'm in the car right now because my parents had to go to the grocery store to get something. And we've been doing a lot of errands trying to get all these gift cards because we're doing this gift card game exchange thing for Christmas. So yeah, that's what we are doing today. I thought I would just update you because I haven't vlogged in a couple days. And I might explain that later, but not right now. I think we might be making Christmas cookies later, and maybe I'll do like the Christmas tag with my mom when we make the cookies. But yeah, I also wanted to do a Christmas get ready with me, but I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, so we'll see. But I thought I would just update you. Can you go? Can you go? Let me see your blue eyes. Here's my cute little Santa Claus. I did little eyebrows. And here are my snowflakes. Voila! This one got burnt. Oh, yeah. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.